My name is Emily Alben, aka Almond Milkmaiden. Welcome to Ripened, a baking series where I'll be sharing seasonal recipes and a slice of my life with you. I love to love, and baking for the people I love is my ultimate love language. It's a way for me to wordlessly share the deepest, truest part of myself. I once baked red velvet cupcakes on Valentine's Day for my entire 4th grade class just to impress one boy, and I don't think much has changed. While experiencing an intense heartbreak, I came across a quote that resonated so deeply. In many shamanic societies, if you came to a medicine person complaining of being disheartened, dispirited, or depressed, they would ask one of 4 questions. When did you stop dancing? When did you stop singing? When did you stop being enchanted by stories? When did you stop being comforted by the sweet territory of silence? Dancing, singing, storytelling, and silence are the 4 universal healing selves, and where we have stopped them is where we have experienced the loss of soul. For me, baking is one of those universal selves, and I had stopped baking during that time. It was like coming out of a fog, remembering what had once been an essential part of my soul. The first thing I made after finding my footing again helped me come back to myself in a deeply healing way. A simple fig cake that I'd like to share with you. Fig Amaro Upside Down Cake. This Fig Amaro Upside Down Cake doesn't require much effort to emerge like the leading lady she is. Bejeweled with figs, glossy and caramelized with the fig jam and Amaro mixture. The cake itself has a cloud-like crumb from the ricotta and almond flour. Begin by generously buttering a 9-inch cake tin and preheating your oven to 350 degrees. In a small bowl, combine your brown sugar, fig jam, and Amaro with a spoon until a loose, almost caramel sauce-like mixture forms. Amaro is an Italian digestif that will add a balanced bitterness with a subtle floral finish. Set aside. Brown your butter in a small saucepan. The water will sputter and evaporate in a fairly dramatic and orchestral fashion until you're met with sweet silence and nutty milk solids. Transfer to a small bowl and place in the fridge until it comes back to room temperature. Sift together your dry ingredients. Stir to combine and set aside. With almost any recipe that calls for zest, I like to activate the oils by rubbing it into the sugar with my fingers. This will make it infinitely more fragrant. Then cream together your orange sugar and brown butter for 3 to 5 minutes until pale and fluffy. Scrape down the sides of your bowl before adding your eggs one at a time, beating well between each addition. Add your vanilla before lowering the speed and beating in half of your dry ingredients. Followed by your ricotta, then the last of your dry ingredients until just combined and airy. Pour the fig jam and Amaro mixture across the bottom of the cake tin. Cut your figs in half and arrange in a concentric pattern. Gently pour your batter over the figs and spread evenly with an offset spatula. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes until light golden brown. Let the cake cool for 15 minutes before inverting onto your serving plate, revealing the now transformed jammy figs. My grandma used to sing me the song, "If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake," and I have a cake stand adorned with the same sentiment. I made this for you, I thought of you, no gesture is sweeter.